Before we get started, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss my quick productivity tutorials. Today, I'll show you how to block time in Calendly so you stay in control of your availability. Whether you're managing a busy schedule or just want some personal time free from meetings, this feature will keep your calendar organized. First, log into your Calendly account and head to the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Availability. This is your go-to section for setting when you're open or busy. Inside, you'll see the weekly hours option. This is especially useful because it lets you set a consistent schedule that repeats every week, so your availability always matches your actual working hours. Now, let's block off time you don't want available. In your weekly hours, find the slots where you're busy, then click on them. You'll notice a small X icon. Select it to mark that time as unavailable. Once you do this, those slots instantly disappear from your booking calendar, so no one can schedule a meeting with you during that period. The best part is Calendly saves these changes automatically in real time. You don't have to worry about clicking save or reloading. Your updates are locked in the moment you make them, and that's it. You've successfully blocked time in Calendly. It's a simple way to prevent scheduling conflicts, protect your personal time, and keep your calendar stress-free. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials that keep your day running smoothly.